What's up guys, and welcome to another epic food challenge. Today we're making one lonely boy a DIY burger party, courtesy of the Beefy boys. Ooh, must be those kits that I ordered. And now that we have our burger kits, let's take a little look inside. And starting us off, we have 12 slices of Swiss and American cheese, followed by 6 semi-brioche buns, a colourful combination of sauces, gherkins and seasoning. Here we have baconaise and special sauce, followed by sliced gherkins and thick seasoning, and ending with a chipotle mayo. Moving on to the proteins, we have 6 rashers of smoked bacon and 6 dry-aged Herefordshire beef patties. A necessary and very cool sticker, followed by the all-important instructions, which will help you put these burgers together, including options. Time to cook. You'll want to start out by banging your bacon rasher in a heated pan and sizzle until it's reached the desired levels of crispiness. Now, I like bacon pretty incinerated, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to leave it at that. Set your bacon aside, stick some butter in the pan and just watch it sizzle. And when you're suitably sizzled out, put 2 halves of your semi-brioche bun into the pan and toast. Once desired levels of toastiness have been reached, remove from pan, slather generously with your burger sauces and arrange pickle slices in an orderly and satisfying manner on top. Back to the hob. Get your beef in a hot pan and squash down with a suitable implement until 2 centimeters thick. Season the exposed side of the patty generously and cook on the same temperature for 1 minute 45 seconds before flipping. Repeat the first process by smashing down the patty further and seasoning generously. Then keep flipping and cooking until you've reached your desired levels of cookedness. Time for some Beefy boy magic. Layer your bacon, cheese and top bun onto your burger patty, add some cold water to your pan and cover with a lid. Once you have achieved magical levels of melted cheese, deliver your top bun onto your bottom bun and stack. And here you have one DIY burger. But where one burger is lonely, 12 are a party. So burgers, assemble. Wow. What is up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Now, I don't know about you, but if you ask me, the best thing that came out of lockdown was definitely restaurant DIY kits. Can we just get a round of applause for restaurants that created an at-home DIY kit like this one? Massive shout out to the Beefy boys who have sponsored today's videos and kindly sent over 2 of their DIY boxes. They are super easy to order, easy to put together, and they come with instructions and everything that you need to make restaurant quality smash burgers at home. Genius. So today we have 2 of the burger kits, that's 12 burgers in total. Without further ado guys, let's get our Beefy boy burger on. Whew. Why do I get so nervous? I don't understand. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, get off first. Just over 5.5 minutes in and we are reaching for burger number 6, making pretty good time as we go, and I was hoping to keep up this pace throughout. I really wanted to hit around a 12-minute mark with this challenge, but this may not be the case. Absolutely amazing seasoning. The seasoning really did stand out. It put in a shift with this challenge. Now you can choose how much or little you want to put on your burgers, but I went in hard and I don't regret it, because for me, the seasoning came through. It was the hero. It saved the day. So much bread. We're going to do these last 3. Okay. They're so tasty and not easy to get through. Okay. So much beef, okay. As we approach that 15-minute mark, I want to say a massive thank you once again to the Beefy Boys for sponsoring today's challenge and for releasing this incredible at-home burger kit just in time for the barbecue season. And on that note, I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy the rest of this video. If you would like to order your very own DIY kit, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description. Oh my gosh, that was insane. That was a lot harder and more ambitious than I ever anticipated. Overall, and first of all, the burgers were delicious. I absolutely love a good burger, and those were exceptional. I can't actually believe that I made them here. They were really easy to put together and they just tasted so fantastic. I was kind of done by the fourth one, but then up until the fourth one, it was an incredible burger. It's just an awful lot of bread. It's like a lot of bread. But that was the Beefy Boys DIY box ×2 challenge complete in 20 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to get your hands on a Beefy Boys DIY box, I'm going to leave the link down below so you can get your very own. It is barbecue season coming up. This is the perfect solution for that. Nothing better than a perfect burger at a summer barbecue. Right then everyone, that is absolutely everything from me. I really do appreciate you and your time, and I'll catch all of you on the next one. Boys DIY burger kits and
Is it on?
Yes, boss.
Well, can you see me, Ronald?
Yeah.
Excellent. Thanks for watching, folks. I'm Tommy, and when I'm not chasing the Beefy Boys in person, I'm following them all over YouTube. You can too. Just subscribe here. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. Oh, God damn it, Ronald!
Sorry, boss.